Team Tormund all the way. Jennifer Moore here with the Sewing Report, helping you discover your love of sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you like making stuff and talking. I do a whole lot of that. Anyways, I am literally in the middle of watching Game of Thrones, and I also just finished this applique t-shirt. So I just thought I would talk about it, show you what I did. I have been loving my Brother PE800 embroidery machine. I've got a whole playlist of videos just on this machine. If you're interested in machine embroidery, I'm having a blast. I might have an addiction, please come stage an intervention. So I am about to watch episode 3 of season 8, and if you can't tell, I'm a really big Tormund Giantsbane fan. I think he's hilarious, he's got lots of personality, he's got awesome hair and blue eyes, and yes, they've always been blue. So I thought I would make a tribute to Tormund since I'm a big fan. I know I'm keeping my fingers crossed that he makes it to the end of the season. Come on, guys. So I took this t-shirt that I already had and I was trying to find some designs that would make sense for Tormund. So I thought I would do the saying Team Tormund. So I went on Etsy and downloaded the Game of Thrones font in BX format because I can use it on this free software called Embrilliance Express, where you can manipulate designs and you can do fonted text. So I did my saying here, and then I was looking for like man's hair or like male facial hair as an applique. I thought that would be kind of fun if I put the two together. So lo and behold, I found this beard with sunglasses applique. So I downloaded that separately, bought it, downloaded it, and then I ended up kind of hooping these two separately. So I hooped the words first and then I hooped the applique second, and it kind of goes together, I think. I think my placement could have been a little bit farther apart. I didn't really know. I didn't really do the whole template thing, but I think it ended up working out okay for a project that only took me a couple of hours. I did do a test stitch first, just to make sure everything was cool, and it was, and then I used this scrap fabric I had. I believe this is Carolyn Friedlander fabric from the Botanics collection, and then I did the sunglasses in black satin stitching, the beard, of course, ginger, what else? And then I did I thought I would do the Team Tormund in hot pink, you know, I don't know why. Anyways, I'm a big fan and I'm still really hoping he and Brienne of Tarth get together. I know it's a long shot, but you know, a girl can dream, right? He is by far, I feel like he's the MVP of season 8, just always has hilarious things to say, sometimes inappropriate, but you know, it's Tormund and he is a wildling, so what are you gonna expect? Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you, and if you're interested in checking out other applique or embroidery videos, I've got some other ones up on this channel, and I hope you're enjoying watching Game of Thrones. I'm gonna be a little bit sad when the series ends this year, but apparently there's a prequel coming out. If you are also watching Game of Thrones, let me know in the comments, who are you rooting for the most, 1, and 2, Who do you think is gonna like be the last person standing in Westeros at the end of this whole thing? I'm Jennifer Moore. Thank you for watching this sewing report, and I will see you guys in the next video. And I hope you're enjoying watching Game of Thrones. I'm gonna be a little bit sad when the series ends this year, but apparently there's a prequel coming out. If you are also watching Game of Thrones, let me know in the comments, who are you rooting for the most? 1, and 2, who do you think is gonna like be the last person standing in Westeros at the end of this whole thing? I'm Jennifer Moore. Thank you for watching this sewing report, and I will see you guys in the next video.